Smart Tab Drawer is a plugin that allows you to wrap any content into a tab hidden on the left or the right side of the screen. We here have one and the other. Click on the tab and you will open the wrapped content like this. You can have them even open at the same time if they are on different sides of the screen. Basically, plugin is very easy to use, and it also offers a great deal of options you can use to customize it. Let's see some of the examples. On this page we have one tab and one drawer, and at first we start with this. This is our form, and this form we are going to put inside this drawer. So this is a standard form, nothing special, and this content you want to hide can be anything. It's recommended to use style display set to none, so that during page load this is not displayed to a user until it is processed by the plugin. So we start with this, and when the plugin finishes loading, using these settings here, we get something like this. We here have a custom style. We created it and it's called custom form. And here in the CSS example, here it is how it looks here. Also, we have a custom class applied to a tab, and it is also defined here. Rest is for styling the form here, and here it is how it looks. It's very convenient to have something hidden inside this drawer behind the tab on the left or right side of the screen. For this example we use the custom animation effects, so it has slight pull in and then pull out for a tab. Also we have custom width and height for the drawer inside, and padding for around the content. Next we have example where we place an image. Now plain and simple, and this is image with a link. Here is the HTML for it, and it's placed inside. We only customize the tab, and the drawer width and height are the same as the image width and height, and apply this standard 10 pixels padding. The same easing effects are applied here also. Next is this example. We have 3 tabs all on one side. There are different colors, and for each tab, for content, we are using font icons icon. So here is the Twitter tab here. We use custom Twitter style. It's located on the right. There is no tab rotate, so that it's displayed as it is. On all other examples, as we have seen, a label used on tab was rotated by 90 degrees. Tab content is an icon. Here it is. We have a 48 by 48 pixel size for a tab. There is no border because we only use background color, and offset for this element for tab here is 32 pixels from the top of the drawer. And we have width and height for it with animation effect here. And the style for this is here. We also applied a bit larger size for icon, as you can see here. Twitter code, well, it's a div with some Twitter code put in. It's generated by Twitter, and there's no need to repeat it here. You can see it in the source code. And as you can see, if you open one tab on this side, if there are more tabs on the same side, they will be hidden. So you open this, close it, and all other tabs appear again. Google Plus tab is the same exactly, but using different icon and different style, different size also. Here it is. Same goes for Facebook, and as you can see, each of these tabs have a different drawer size. Also, they're using different tab offset because we still have the whole drawer on the same offset from the top, but tab can be differently offset so that you don't get overlapping tabs. And in this case, we also have a function example use, and in this case, this is a button here that will open and close Facebook drawer. If it is open, click closed. There are many functions you can apply to existing elements, and you can check it out in documentation. And here is an example of using different scroll bar replacements. We have two libraries directly supported, and that's Nanoscroller and Nightscroll. Nanoscroller is on this side, and as you can see, it looks like this. When you don't use it, it can go away. And this example shows text with an image. This scroller has a lot of options that you can find on their official website, and by default this example here has iOS native scrolling turned on. So if you are using this on iOS device, you will see its native scroll bars instead of these ones. So it works very well with touch devices, and it is compatible with everything we have tried it on. Nightscroll is a bit different, and in some cases it can be a bit difficult to configure, but it also has a simple scroll bars, and it allows you to set different colors to it and everything else through options for it. When Nanoscroller requires changes in CSS to create different colors for scroll bars. There is no limit what you can put inside the tab, and you can change sizes, change anything you need. Plugin is compatible with smaller devices. It is responsive, and the height of it will be changing how the page size is changing. And as for the width, it will be calculated on load. So if you set higher width than the device allows, it plugin will scale it back to fit the device, so that when the tab is open, it stays on the screen, so the whole drawer and tab stay on screen.